Hi guys and girls of the YouTube world, this is your boy Sean and I am back with another reaction video just for you guys.
Ooh, 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 pick a side. Only double lines we cross is dollar signs. Yeah. Ooh, 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 hold up, wait. I hear you just got paid, make it rain, energy. She more Cancun, he more Central Pay. Be waving around the crowd, gon' move, look around and right. Unique, that's what you are. Lingerie reflecting off the mirror on the bar. Category, sexy bitch, I'm the bar. Alien superstar.
So guys, as you can tell by the title, we are doing Raye again. So I made up my mind that I am going to react to this album. And I'm going to do it little by little. I'm not going to do it in one setting. So it's just been a blessing of the fact that I will be reacting to the third song off the album. And it's a live performance or a video that I can actually see and not really like just listen to the lyrics. So I'm so excited that I'm actually getting performances that I can watch and see and stuff. Even though I kind of still want to listen to the recording as well. So what I have done is I have watched this. I've done this, right? And then I listened to the pre-recorded track. So just to see the difference that I don't get live, you know, in the track. So I'm like, okay, still, I am so satisfied. So far, it's a beautiful album. I am just super excited to be listening to this type of music again. It just brings so much joy to me. So, live at the Abbey Road Station, yet again, well, studios, sorry. Abbey Road Studios. We are doing Nightingale Lane. So, I'm excited. If you're new here, you've been, you just happen to see my face for the first time. Thank you. Welcome. I appreciate it for clicking on my video. And if you have been here before, hey, welcome back. I love you guys. Let's get it. Come on. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Hey, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hey, welcome to my YouTube channel. And go ahead and subscribe. Go ahead and subscribe. Go ahead and subscribe to my... Ready? Channel. I would greatly appreciate it if while you're at it, go ahead and like this video for me. Let's get into it. It's only Raye. It's only Raye. Let's do it. So guys, I am set and ready. This is Nightingale Lane by Raye. So let's do it.
This is a song about the greatest heartbreak I've ever known. The song is called Nightingale Lane. On the street in the South London suburbs, where my first love kissed me goodbye, his lips were thin.
Excuse me. Excuse me. Question. Well, maybe I can answer this question once I go through this video. I want to know if she's doing the whole studio at Abbey Road Studios. Like, is she doing the whole... I said the whole studios. Is she doing the whole album, like, live performance at this studio? Like, this is going to be, like, a thing? Because I could just continue to just do these type of videos. If that's the case, I would prefer just get all the live ones and just go listen to the album, you know, just full throughout. So, I'll knock these out knock them out the park. I'll get them out of here. But yeah, I really want to know that. I have to look that up. I've been seeing little videos here and there, so I'm not too sure. But I'll figure it out.
Made me cold and all. After the oceans I cried, I made of steel. Just love. But when I drive,
I like her talk singing.
I drive slow, I'm letting go.
red lights with closed eyes. I tell myself to go on, just saying somebody loved me once.
It's Raye is giving me a old school feel. Not saying her music is old school, but the feeling of it. So I remember my mom growing up to my mom and my aunts and everybody, and listening to the type of music they listen to is different, right? If you have black parents or just parents, older parents in general, that listen to the old Motown type music. You know what I'm saying? It doesn't even have to be black. It's any parent who grew up in that time who loved that type of music. It's that type of vibe and the type of the singing that she's doing. It reminds me of that feeling that I don't know. I just now like I see images. Like it's so crazy that I'm thinking about that. I just pretty much unlocked something in my brain that I haven't thought about in a very long time. I like that. I love that feeling that she just gave me in the memory core that I had.
Somebody will again, like the way you love me on Nightingale. Although we never made it, stranger, you showed me it's true. Baby, when I'm loving someone,
You see what I'm talking about? I love that.
Yeah, it took me long, hard years to get over you. It was an aching I refused to feel again. And looking back now, we never were quite right for each other, baby. But in the absence of passion in my life, I remember how alive love once was. And I sighed when I drive down this.
I love how she decided to wear this all black. It's kind of like a widow, like a mourning the times that we used to have on Nightingale Lane. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's just like the veil. It's like, baby, I'm in mourning, and I'm gonna sing about this song. I'm gonna sing about our moment and our history, and I'm gonna give it passion. And it's gonna be soulful, and it's gonna feel like it's gonna take you to the church, kind of, in this sense. You talk about, it's giving me, I'm telling you guys, I am a child of the 90s, 1990, I'm born, and I just remember this type of feeling, and she's giving that emotion. It feels great. If she's
sometimes at red lights with closed eyes, I tell myself, in fact, I tell myself to go on, just say it. Somebody love me once. Someday, somebody will again, like the way
Amen.
you love me on Nightingale.
Bring it back down. Bring it back down.
Dabbled in love since maybe
Say
every
it.
other summer. It never lasts long. They never stick around. I'm made of steel now. I believe someday someone gon' come along and knock them walls down. And knock them walls down. When I drive.
I like that. Oh, I like that. Oh, Somebody's gonna come one day and knock those walls down. I just had a moment. I just had a moment. Woo, girl, she's speaking to me. Oh, she is speaking to me. Oh, she is speaking to me. Oh, baby. Oh, I'm so excited about this. Oh, I don't care how. Look, if you tired of me uploading Raye, look, baby. Show me something else. Because this right here, this woman. Woo.
I'm reminded that though I've let him go now, right here in this ghost town, right here on this ground is where someone once loved me. And someday, someone will.
Oh, you a bad man pajama. Oh, you a bad man pajama. Oh, you a bad man. Oh, oh. 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 She bad. She bad. I can't. Oh. Did she take you through there? Did she? Just like she did me? Like, did she take you through there? Because the way I am feeling after hearing that song, I feel I just feel good. I just get off of work. Almost 11, 12-hour shift. I am tired, but I was like, I have to do some music. I have to do some videos. And I'm so glad I did, because that just brought me back. That just brought me back. Like, I feel good. It feels so good. That was absolutely stunning. Amazing. She is the epitome of an artiste, a singer, an artist. Ugh. She makes me sick. She makes me sick in a good way, because she is so great. She is so great. From the outfit, the London Orchestra was the symphony, everything. It was beautiful. It was amazing. Oh my gosh, her belt at the end was just heaven sent. The angels from above just illuminated my soul and body. I just can't. I can't. And I just looked it up. It is only those two performances from the Abbey studio. So I'm gonna have to do the lyric videos, or not even lyric videos, just the audio. Which I'm not bad about, because I still want to listen to the music. So but I'm excited. I'm excited for this album. Everybody is telling me to listen to it, because it's such a good record, and I can't wait. So I'm glad to be on this journey with you guys. Let's do it. I appreciate you guys for being here. Go ahead and like, comment, subscribe, do all that great stuff. And as always, I will see you at my next Raye or anybody else reaction video, because at this point, it could just be Raye again. So I will see you soon. Bye, guys.